What's going on? My name is Michael Petty and welcome to the Petty's Corner. Here's a concept that I want to share with you. A lot of people who do online businesses, online opportunities, they try to recruit people. But here's the thing. Why recruit people into your business that don't know what they're doing, right? Why not give them the information, give them the insight, so if they make the decision to join your team, they're ready to go. So that's the type of information I'm sharing, right? When you enter your email address, of course, it's going to take you to the sales page, but you're going to get an email campaign, okay? How to reel in big fish, that's the first email. Information about Exitus Elite, that's the business I promote. How Tim became the #1 enroller, okay? More information about Exitus. So every other email is pretty much going to be training, information about Exitus, then training. This training information is evergreen, okay? Is your business this easy? If you're failing, try this. Shocking lesson from fast food. These are lessons that you can go in and you can share with your team, right? You're going to also get an opportunity to copy this email campaign and this training series on the back end, so you don't have to recreate anything, and that's through Power Lead System. Okay, to show you how to get access to that, simply click the link down in the description and enter your email address. You're going to start getting your training. All right, to access Power Lead System is at the very bottom of this page. Okay, it's right here. Page created using Power Lead System. Now, Power Lead System is an online marketing tool suite, right? It also pays. Now, I know a lot of people use Power Lead System trying to make money. Well, the issue with that is a lot of people get in, and if the bottom person don't make money, what do you think they're going to do? Exactly. So it trickles up a lot of times. But if a person understands, Power Lead System is for the tools. So how do you use the tools? You use the tools to brand yourself. Okay. This capture page was made through Power Lead System, so I can brand myself. Right. That's how I use Power Lead System. This email campaign was produced and made inside of Power Lead System. This sales page was made through Power Lead System, but it promotes Exitus Elite. Everything I'm sharing with you is going to promote Exitus Elite, right? But you can use Power Lead System to promote whatever business you're promoting. You may not be interested in Exitus Elite, but the email campaign, I took 2 campaigns and merged them together, right? With Exitus Elite, it comes with an email autoresponder already built in. So I took those emails and I added it to another email, and I went through and I changed and I edited it to make it sound like me, make it fit what I want to share. Brand myself even within the emails. Because listen, people join people. And in this email series, you're going to get all that information on how to really build, how to attract people, what people are really looking for when they're looking at a business. As an example, and it says, are you selling the hole or the drill? When you check that out, that's going to make sense when you see the information. But go ahead and click the link down in the description. Go through and get this email campaign so you can get the training. Then if you want to check out Power Lead System and how you can make money using your tools, right, to bring yourself to promote any business you want, okay, go ahead and click the link. Watch this presentation. I'm going to be a little biased and say, if you watch that presentation, you may want to join Exitus Elite. You may love your business, but when you see what Exitus Elite is, which is online marketing training, it's training courses, a whole lot of training courses, pretty much sharing what all the top leaders tell us to get. Personal training, right? Personal development, online marketing training, mentoring. That's what Exitus Elite is. So now you're selling products of what the top leaders are telling you to get anyway. It just makes sense, right? Power Lead System, online marketing tools, branding yourself, people join people. See, the type of products I promote is all around what all the big leaders are telling you to do. So it just makes sense. Why not promote a product that every leader tells you to do, tells you to get, tells you to, how to build a business? Power Lead System, Exitus Elite, killer combination. Okay, so watch the presentation. We have a call center. If you have any questions, you can contact me, or you can do what I do, which is one of the trainings that's in my email campaign. You can use the call center. So why use the call center? Because think about it. If you jump inside of Exitus Elite and your prospects want to check it out, you can activate the call center, and the call center answer your questions, close your sales. You don't have to do it, or you can do it yourself, right? We're talking about duplication, right? Making it easy. Go through the email campaign. Go ahead and click the link down in the description. Any email address. You got to get the emails, and you got to see this training and understand where I'm coming from. Quick video about me making money at Exitus Elite. You can check out what the library is, what other people are saying. These are my team bonuses. You can click here and get started in Exitus Elite. The lowest package is $149. $149 positions you to make unlimited $100 bills over and over and over again. Okay, one-time payment, unlimited commissions, all the way up to $2,000. Okay, I'm at the top level. I'm ready to go. Right? I heard a lot of people say, okay, $2,000, that may be a hard sell. Do you believe in yourself? Do you believe you can make a $2,000 commission, a $2,000 day? If you don't believe it, come in for $149 and make $100. Then once one of your people who do believe in themselves decide to go in and at the $2,000 package, you will still make your $100, but the rest of the $1,900 will pass up, and I will thank you for that. But if you believe in yourself and you saying, I want to make $2,000 commissions, let's ride. $23.99 is the max, one time and one time only in Exitus Elite. And you get to pick how you get paid. PayPal, Cash App. Cash App has, I think, a certain amount limited. Maybe they can send $1,000 one day, maybe send $1,000 another day to make it $2,000. You get to pick how you get paid. Cash, Walmart to Walmart, however you want to receive your money, you get to pick, right? So to get access to all this information and to get the training, click on the link down in the description, in the email address, get the training, check out Exitus Elite, check out Power Elite System. My name is Michael Petty. See you in the next video.